Welcome to Incredible Lab channel. Today I'll show you how to delete fingerprint in your Android phone. So at first open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to security and privacy. After that scroll down again and then go to biometrics and then go to fingerprints. Then you have to draw your current pin or pattern. Now from here you can customize your fingerprint. Here you can see there are two saved fingerprints in my phone. If you want to delete any fingerprint, just tap here. Now here at the top right corner you can see remove option, then just tap on remove. Then tap on remove again to confirm it. And that's it. You have successfully deleted fingerprint in your Android phone. If you want to rename your fingerprint, just tap here. Now from here you can set any fingerprint name. Then tap on save. And you can see it's changed successfully. Also, if you tap on add fingerprint option, from here you can add more fingerprint. And that is how you can delete fingerprint in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.